Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video but one that I find very interesting. A while ago I uploaded a video answering a question that you had left me. Someone asked if the sensor could be cleaned MAF, the flow meter, with WD-40. In that video I explained that it could not be cleaned. I will leave you the link in case you have not seen that video. Someone answered me that they have removed it. WD-40 does not sponsor me and does not pay me nothing. But since you watch the channel, I'll show you. They have released a dielectric contact cleaner that does not leave residue. With this you can clean the MAF sensor. It is this WD-40 that you see here. Look, contact cleaner, cleans the electrical contacts, fast acting, does not conduct electricity, is dielectric and penetrates quickly, and does not leave residue, which is the most important thing. With this you can perfectly clean the MAF sensor. As I say, it does not patronize me, nor they pay me for it, but since you follow the channel I give you the information. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.